Hi guys, welcome to High Tech. Today we are going to learn about how to create SSH account which supports every VPN. You enjoy free data browsing without any problems or mistakes. Okay, so before that, you just click on the browser, any browser you are using, but I prefer using Chrome. Okay, I prefer using the Chrome browser. Yeah, okay. So you click on the browser. Okay, after clicking on it, you type in the search option like sshocean. Yeah, then you search for sshocean. After it appears, you click on the first link. I mean this one, sshocean. Okay, so you click on it. After it loads, you go down there, you scroll to WebSockets. Okay. You use the WebSocket to create the account. Okay. After you click on it, an ad will appear, but just stay tuned for it. You click on the WebSocket account. Okay, so boom, it has then appear. You scroll down, but you can choose any country you want, like the server. So maybe you want Brazil, Australia, Bulgaria, Cambodia, Canada, France, but I prefer using France. Yeah, but others, you can choose a country which is near beside your residential area. So maybe if you are in Ghana, you can choose Germany, other links, but I prefer using France. Yeah, so you click on select server from France. Okay, after you click on it, an ad will appear like this. Then you click on the exit button. Alright, so you click on it to clear the ad. Okay, then you scroll down to here. You can choose from server 1. Here we have only 32 accounts. Here we have only 32 accounts remaining. We can choose that one too. Here too we have 37 accounts, so I prefer using the 37 accounts. Alright, okay, you click on the create button. After it opens, you scroll down here. You need any username and password, so you need any username and password of your choice. You are not required to click on anything, only the username and password of your choice. Alright, okay, so you type the username there. High Tech. Alright, and the password to be maybe free But don't forget to click on the reCAPTCHA option. I mean this. Otherwise, if you create an account, it won't work. Click on the reCAPTCHA button. Alright, so we click on it and wait for it to load. After we are done, okay, make sure you see the marked icon before you click on the create. Okay, so after you are done, you click on the create now button. Okay, you click on the create now button. Just wait a few seconds for it to create. Some few seconds, your account will be done creating, and you can use it for any other purpose. Boom, account successfully created. Account successfully created. Here are your infos, your payload, your username, your SSH host, your password, anything. You can use it to enjoy free data and other VPNs you want of your kind. But don't forget to subscribe. Please stay tuned for more videos of your kind. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay.